Hey guys, Sandy here, and I wanted to show you my latest kit from the Secret Not Secret Kit Club. Now, this kit is for my Disneyland trash cans. As you guys know, I already have a kit for my Disney World trash cans, and these are just a few of the fun Disneyland trash cans. This is outside of Toy Story Midway Mania. This is Hollywoodland trash cans, and this is a Paradise Pier trash cans. So these are just three of the pictures that I have. I have a whole bunch. Disneyland has a whole bunch of fun trash cans. So let me show you what I got for this kit. So I'm super excited about this because I wanted it to be fun and colorful and did not want it to have the same feel as my Disney World trash cans, but I wanted it to have a similar feel. So I talked to our amazing kit curator, Christina, and she suggested basing it off of Whimsical, and she was completely right. So this is Whimsical number 2 with the navy background and kind of like the paint splotches. And on this side is a rainbow kind of chevron. Then we have Whimsical 11. It has these hearts with some stitchings around it. And this pink on pink kind of quilted looking paper. Kind of reminds me of toilet paper. Not in a bad way. Then we have Whimsical 10 with some faux stitching with this diagonal. And on the back is an ombre yellow. Whimsical number 8 with all these little banners of fun words that you could totally cut out if you wanted to. And on the back is this ombre purple. Love this ombre purple. Then we have Whimsical 17, which is teal with all kinds of stars. And on the back, an ombre pink. I'm loving the stars. Then this one is that beautiful stripes of color all the way across. And on the back, ombre or rainbow hearts that go yellow or yellow, green, blue down into purple and pink. Then we have this cloud paper, which I absolutely love, and you know those cloud trash cans that I just showed you are going on there. And on the back is a blue with kind of like confetti. This is Whimsical 13, some more cut apart things. You could go in there. Look at those little clouds. Then on the back, a hexagon green on green tone. Then this is from a paper pad. It has the foiling on it. And then this is the specialty paper that you layer. So you can like pull these up and layer things underneath of it. That is going to be exciting. Might cover up that butterfly, put my photo right there. Then we have this die cut. This is an exclusive die cut from Paige Evans that she created for us at the Kit Club. Then we have the Whimsical stickers. Let's see if I can, there we go. We have the Whimsical stickers. A border sticker, word sticker, fun little things, more of those perfect clouds. Some more words back here and some more of those clouds. Just great little pieces. Then we have the thickers, and these are the multicolored little thickers, which are gorgeous. Look at those. And then on the back, it's kind of like this pearly rose color. This is my card. Christina writes us a card every time, and then there's my ticket. They have shimmers in Winter's Mist. Have an exclusive sequin mix from Spiegel Mom Scraps for the Secret Not Secret Kit Club. I don't remember what this one is called, and I don't see the name on it anywhere really easily, but look, these colors go great. Then we have some enamel stickers. And then the Whimsical puffy stickers. I love these little puffy stickers. They just add like the perfect little touch. Then in the large bag, more of those clouds. Lovely, whimsy, a floral, lots of great florals with foiling. Look at all these gorgeous florals. Everything. And I love how some of the die cuts have that white and some of them don't. Artistic. Some books, the little journaling piece, Let's Get Creative, Wonder. And then in the little one, ooh, ooh, ah! Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Okay, look at this. Look at these little gemstone Mickeys. They're perfect. Look at them. I love them. So we have the gemstone Mickeys. And then some of the 2x2 squares. You fill my heart with all the colors of the rainbow. Today's happiness is tomorrow's treasure. What a wonderful day. Darling, I love you. Having so much fun. So those are the 2x2s. So these, oh, I love this kit. I love everything about it. These are going to be great for my Disneyland trash can photos. So go ahead, stay tuned if you want to see what I do with this kit. And I hope you will, and I will see you guys soon.